Hello guys, welcome back to our channel here at Libra Aesthetics and Wellness. I hope everyone's doing well and had a good Thanksgiving. For today's video, I'll be discussing a very exciting new procedure that we offer here, the EndoLift. So this here is our new laser hair, the U-Photon from Italy. Hello. And you'll see a demo here today, a video showing how it's performed. And just keep on watching to hear more. So to begin, let me tell you a little bit about the EndoLift so you get a little more familiar with it. So this is a relatively novel procedure that is used in aesthetics medicine. This uses a laser to get into the interstitial tissue in the skin to provide skin tightening, and also it can perform laser lipolysis. So what would that achieve? That will help us with getting rid of that sag, those wrinkles that form over time with aging. So this procedure, we use single-use sterile microfibers. These fibers are not very big at all. They're like, maybe I would say like a fishing wire, like a fine fishing wire. These get into the skin. We actually insert it through the skin tissue into the subcutaneous tissue, and then we will pull and tighten the skin as we go along while we fire the laser. There's a little spotting light that we can see as it goes through the skin, so we can tell where we are. So this procedure can be used on several parts of the body and face. Today's video will be focusing on the face. So you'll see me, do a cheek. We'll come in here and tighten the cheek, and we'll also go through this line here that forms on most of us, the nasolabial fold. It'll be great also to work along the jawline to contour and tighten. Also the neck, to tighten the neck, the submental area here, and also using a really small fiber, we can also work around the eyes to get rid of those fine lines there, and even get rid of a little bit of those fat bulging tissues that we see that pop up sometimes. That will also be nice to do a little bit of facial contouring and sculpting of like the cheekbone here. And if we use it using the laser lipolysis method here, we can get through the tissue that's sometimes a little thickened under the skin and lift and tighten that and get rid of the little extra fat that can build up. So I think it's an excellent procedure, and I've wanted this machine for a while, from the time I saw it in a demo at one of the aesthetics conferences that I went to. So I'm just so pleased that we can offer it to you guys. Maybe I'll mention a little bit more about what it can do before you go on and see the video. Now, the treatment has multiple purposes. It can remodel the superficial and deeper layers of the skin. And from what I can see, it almost tightens, like it's almost like ironing the tissue. And you can see it as we go. It really pulls and tightens immediately. And the effect continues to improve over the next several weeks, 2 months. It also stimulates collagen production and elastin, and that will give the skin a more youthful look, because over the age of 25, we lose a significant amount of collagen and elastin every year, and laser is one of the few ways that we can replenish that. Another thing it will do is there is connective septum in your subcutaneous tissue, which sometimes gets really lax as we age. So as it goes through, it will pull and tighten that tissue to really give you an excellent result. Now, I really feel like another benefit of it is the laser lipolysis. So with laser lipolysis, we can actually melt unwanted fat. So maybe in another video, we'll do one on the body showing that. Now, people may wonder, how painful is it? The patients I've done have said it's really about a scale of 3 on 1 to 10, and that's really tolerable. I say, do you want to stop? And they all say, no, continue. We want a result. In addition, you may want to know how long is the procedure. You know, a procedure around the eyes might be just, you know, under 15 minutes for start to finish, while maybe, you know, doing quite a bit of fat from under the chin might take more of an hour. So, you know, plan to be there, you know, at least 30 minutes to an hour when you come in for your appointment. I think there are many benefits of this procedure. One of it includes minimally invasive, no scars, very minimal downtime. You can, you know, do it during lunchtime and go back to work and no one would be the wiser. There's no bleeding, there's no incisions. It's very precise because this laser is so small that you can really target areas, you know, in a very precise, tight way to really, it's almost like drawing with a laser. The prices are pretty much affordable, you know, compared to an actual facelift or anything like that. And you can combine it with other procedures the same day, like if I have to do Botox or need to do some non-ablative laser on the surface of the skin. It's a very safe treatment, and I've been very, very, you know, very pleased with that, you know, option that we can offer here. So keep in mind the results. You'll see some immediate results, but the full results you won't see until a full 6 months after. It continues to get even better, and duration would be, I would say, a couple of years, really. So if you look in the next clip, you will see us performing this procedure on a client, and you know, we'd love you to come in for a consultation. Keep in mind, on Saturday, December 4th, we do have a spa day at our office, and we'll be having a grand prize for a endolift of one area. So if you can come in, we'd love to meet you. Come meet the team, have a snack, and get a free consultation. Good?
Yeah. I didn't tell anybody I was having this done.
Wonderful.
See if they notice.
Okay, let me see. So the endolift procedure, feels a little smart. What it does, it goes under the skin, and I'm using 1475 light energy, laser energy, so they can actually go under the skin and tighten, as you can see. You will see the benefits immediately, and they'll continue to improve as collagen deposits under your skin. Okay, a little smart? Okay, let me get. So this underlift lifts and tightens, develops collagen and elastin in the skin. Over time, you'll see lifting, and it works excellent. Developed in Italy, and it's the bridge between like a facelift and just minimally invasive procedures. So I'm going now under the skin to really do some pulling and tightening here along that cheek. All right, and you look towards me, and you can look. You can already see the difference between the sides here in the procedure. See the wrinkling here versus the side where we've been doing the procedure. And we'll continue to improve over the next several months. So I'm now going to work on her jawline here, above the lip a little bit, and I'll do the other side. Okay. And really tighten along your jaw. Get this way now. Tighten them on here. Just tighten along the jawline. Being so flexible is nice. I can just move the. Okay. A little more here. You doing okay? Okay. How's that? Pressure? Real pressure? Alright, so we tighten along the jawline. Awesome. Nice. Okay, let's see. I want you to feel a little pressure. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay, now we're going to work the nasal laser pose. The laser is under the skin, as you can see, and we're pulling and tightening all of this tissue here. It goes for the subcutaneous layer, and that's why it can really, what it does, it helps to pull and tighten the collagen and deposit fresh collagen and elastin in the tissue. So it's almost like ironing the skin on the inside. So I'm going to work this.
You can see it on the
Yeah, yeah, that's the spotting laser, so I can see where I'm ironing. All right, now I'm going to go this way. The good thing is for the same hole, I can pretty much access a lot of the area. You might feel a little zing here, I'm not gonna lie. Around the mouth is very sensitive, okay? But you shouldn't feel pain. Let me distract you with the ice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get here. Okay. So this setting now is laser lipolysis. So what it's gonna do is dissolve the fat, the subcutaneous layer here. And what I'll do is melt that extra little bit of fat here under the chin so it has a nice sculpted appearance. So we're running the laser 1475 nanometers. Let's get that. Go ahead and debulk the tissue. Yeah, I can feel it going down in bulk. So we're just gonna keep doing that until we get the tissue plane nicely debulked. It's gonna now tighten the skin overlying. And as you can see, we can use this in all Fitzpatrick's. Are you feeling any pain?
No.
Excellent. That's what we like to hear. Wonderful. The tissue is nice, and this one gets a little bit hotter, not maybe 4 watts. You know how to do this? I don't know how. I'll just have to have Kiki post it for me. We're good so far, Miss Marie? We're gonna get this chin. I could feel it going for the sub too, like tissue, like butter. That's kind of what I'm feeling.